Alright guys, so I just received this LED light bulb from Nicoko. It is a 52-inch 300 watts curved LED light bulb with chasing halo ring for 10 solid color changing with strobe flashing mode, spot flood. You can control that via the remote control. Alright, so this is how the light looks like. It is very solid compared to other brand. And it does comes with a wiring harness. It looks like there is enough wiring to run from the hood to the inside of the car. And there's the bracket for you to mount it onto the car. And look like they do include the power button, the power on and off button. And there's the wiring from the headlight LED light assembly. Now what am I about to do is I wanted to test out the light first before I actually mount it onto the car. This way, you know exactly if the light bar is working and it's in good condition, in good working order before you actually mount it. So what I am doing is I'm just gonna unscrew the screw on the battery, the ground, and then the red wire out, and just hooked up the wire and test to make sure the light bar is working perfectly the way it should be. And after that, we're going to go ahead and mount it onto the car. Alright, so I have connected the wire to test out the light, and as you can see, it is very bright even in daylight. I cannot imagine how bright it will be in the dark. So there it is. As you can see, I run the wire through the firewall of the car, of the truck, and you can see I poked a little hole in that little plastic sealant and just run it through that firewall. I have to tell you that this is the most complicated part of this installation, is to run this wire through that firewall. But it takes me about 15 or 20 minutes for this process because I don't have the tools that I need. If you have the right tools, only take a few moments. And here you can see that I run the switch and mount it through this little panel right there, and it looks really good in my opinion. And this is how the light looks like in daylight. So this is how bright it is at nighttime, as you can see, and this is showing the light flashing in different lightning color: red, green, blue. They have like 12 or 13 different color, and you can control this via the remote control that they sent you. Now if you want and interested in buying one of this, go ahead and click the link in the bottom in the description box of this video, and I will also include a discount code for all of my viewers. go ahead and order you one and install it to your car for off-road purposes. And this is, the best for off-road. It gives you all the light that you need, and it also have the flashing strobe function that you can control with your remote control. So far, this is the best light bar that I have ever used, and I highly recommend it. Go ahead and click the link in the description box and to order you guys one with the discount code that I provided, and let me know how it goes.